Last time I asked you guys to suggest some game mechanics and I got a suggestion from Platylaza8367 to add ropes to swing on, which is a great suggestion. So I'm gonna implement it. If you are new here, I'm currently developing a Ragdoll climbing game for Steam release, and if you like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So welcome to the devlog of Hold Tight. I like the idea of ropes, so I started developing the rope mechanic. Some problems I faced when implementing the rope is that the rope stays static even when the player hangs on to them, and the player can't move further. So I added a script to swing the rope constantly, which allows the player to proceed further into the level. This introduced the next problem. Even though my game has 3D environments, the game works in 2D plane, and the rope actually swings in 3D world, which causes a lot of issues to my game. So I tried to use 2D rigid bodies to implement the rope mechanic, which once again didn't help. So I added some constraint to the 3D rope to not move in the z-axis. This is how the rope mechanic looks like now. To be honest, this doesn't act like a rope at all. It's basically a pendulum. At this point, I have spent a lot of time implementing this rope mechanic, and I am still not satisfied with this. So I decided to pause the development for this mechanic and proceed with another task. One of the issues with the gameplay is that the camera movement doesn't work well when the player is moving. So I fixed the camera to move along with the player. It's actually improved the gameplay a lot, and I'm very satisfied with the camera movement. Let me know what you think about the new camera movement in the comments. I wanted to implement another simple mechanic, so I thought of the classic destructible ledges. This mechanic is simple but makes the game interesting and challenging. I used a placeholder animation for now, and will improve the animation in the future. Right now, this is how the overall gameplay looks with the different mechanics. I'm planning a big feature which will help with the level design of my game Hold Tight. The idea is to simplify the level design process. I can also use this level builder in the game so that the users can design their own custom level and have fun with it. The idea is to assign some fixed measurements to each of the existing mechanics so that it will be easy to reuse them across these levels. For example, a normal ledge that a player can hold on to will be of 0.2 into 1 unit length. A moving ledge can cover a distance of 5 units horizontally and vertically. A rotating plane that has 2 ledges which the player can climb to is of length 5 units and rotates in XY plane. The seesaw is around 5 unit length and can move up and down around 2.5 units. I couldn't find free time to implement any other mechanics, so the development takes a stop right here. Hope you guys like this develop. Make sure to comment your thoughts on this. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and like the video if you like the video. We'll see you guys in the next devlog.